howtomakemonday.com, send monthly messages. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Go to Automations, open your board, and navigate to the Automation Center in monday.com. 2. Select a custom automation. Choose, when a date arrives, notify someone to set up scheduled messages. 3. Pick a message type. You can send a reminder, update, or task notification to team members. Set the frequency. Select every month to ensure the message is sent automatically every month. 5. Define the recipients. Add the team members or email addresses who should receive the monthly message. 6. Customize the message. Write a personalized message, such as a deadline reminder or progress update. 7. Activate the automation. Save and enable the automation to start sending monthly messages.